Kani kediga batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kijing benar nakaliang katrat kakot kakya, kabayday bat u COVID-19, benta kasi kadnyaw Tarik u August hajar arpo, hadu si baje mensengi kilong kumne. Ki kes ki batman, ki balong positif hadu benta kilong saw. Pada kini ki saw East Khasi Hills South Ho, Iway na po BSF, but life kandai na kiway. East Janta Hills, Iway, West Garo Hills, Lai. Ki kes barok lumlang, ki balong aktif hadu menta, ki long news pa Lai Kulai. Pada kini ki news pa Lai Kulai, South pa Arkulai kidai na po East Khasi Hills. Pada kini ki South pa Arkulai, New Fuar kidai na po BSF. Kiway kidai Ars pa Prakuway, but ki Armed Forces Ïohpang. West Khasi Hills, Lai. Southwest Khasi Hills, Iway. Ribhoy, Shispa. West Janta Hills, South. East Janta Hills, Sun. West Garo Hills, Shispa Frafusau. Southwest Garo Hills, Lai. South Garo Hills, R. East Garo Hills, Mdan. North Garo Hills, Pra. Kiba recover. Menta kasi kilong South. But naging South, West Janta Hills Iway, East Janta Hills Iway, East Khasi Hills R. But kilum lang baro kibar kaba hadu menta kilong ndreus pa nyu pandai. But kiba khlat no kilong ndreus. Ki sampel kiba ngifa test hadu menta kasi baro kilum lang hadu arbaje mena mensingi kilong supply hajar plus pa nyu fuar. Kibalong negatif kilong safu ar hajar sispa life nyo. Test report kibang hidang up hadu menem ski arbaji kilong kumba life spa katsam. But breu ki barung sapo ka jela ka jungi hadu arbaji menski menta kilong Afufra hajar life spa prako. Ini kilong jum ketip benda kasi baru nahai dia ka break up mo. Kini kies kiba safusa menta kasi. Ngiong na East Khasi Hills kidon South Ho. Baru na kini ki South Ho iway ite na po BSF iway the high risk contact jong iway belong positive but life fra kidai kiba niyo hangte po rilbong bangile random sampling menen janmit adon namin West Garo Hills Lai kini baro Lai kidai kibang iyo na po tikrikila East Janta Hills iway idai interstate driver. Yesterday we had told 24 cases we had got all around, including those two from Ïohpang. That's why we could not get the source. So this one also the same thing is happening. They're doing the contact tracing. So in a day or two, we will be able to tell whether they got it from a specific source or we cannot trace the source. Okay, but see, we got 2 cases from Ïohpang. So these people, every likelihood, they are high risk contacts of these. when they went to that shop, they went to the market, okay, because these are the two people who were tested positive, also the initial ones, the first ones. They had gone to the marketplace, and the same thing also had happened to these people. So that is why we told that since most of these people are working in Bara Bazar area, that means Yodo area and Police Bazaar area, so that is why we have put testing centers there. And today I think they have started those centers. Huh? No, I think in Police Bazaar, I think near this OB Mall, because there was a problem to get the place. Okay, we can't test outside. So I think OB Mall, just in front of OB Mall, and that's what they have told me. And in Anjali, it'll be around in that Anjali Cinema Hall, somewhere around there. No, they will find a place first. But we're going to go for all these places where there are there is a conglomeration of a number of people, many people.
Kini kebayaan apa rumah? Kita baterai di.
Kita pun kita baterai kita sang dukan, kita baterai belah, baterai yang ru kita nang tu. Mau. Tama bar khat ni lara lu kini bar oleh fufrak la don sport corona ke center. Ni suspect bakal community spread. Tangba long community spread kali larafi on community spread kamu barok koi. Kecakap ni itu. Tamangi berengin konten baik tangi di cakai di koloni biasa lang tu. Tikini kiwi sini serut. Tingi i bagi bon kimlong positif ni. Kibangi test ngilap baik positif kibai nak tu kecakap. Takadang konten beja katu kecakap. Takadang saya isi dengan orang biang ba kam shingai bat ke station kandai ke bawah bangin yami than sabar bangin jele pikir namar kumangila ong hi barabor to kani ka jingpang kan long kum kiwi flui kamradan system ndai kapur step ha da kapur step kum kalong menta bagi dan protocols kan ora jing e padai kitoki ba long ki high risk but kitoki balong positive but high yang asam jong kiro.